Hello, and welcome to the EDS Client Tutorial 4. In this tutorial, we will discuss the model's current event. Left-click on a model from the Models list and right-click to display the Models menu. Select the Current Event option from the menu. The Current Event window displays the event's parameters, such as pending time, trigger time, close time, total severity, and max severity. It also shows the event ID, event flags signaling what the problem is. Below we have a table of the event's details: status, alarm key, last report delay, description, etc. The mail alert field on the right side of the screen indicates when a mail message has been sent to the user. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.